Hello trader, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss a new trading indicator. This is the one of the best strategy and give you a best buy and sell signal which you can see on your screen right now. Okay, see. Okay, first step, go to the first step. Let's go. Delete the old indicator, go control A and delete now. Okay, now go to my folder, this open it and copy now, control A, copy and close now. Okay, script is copy and close it and go to Pine Editor and paste now. This script is paste and add to chart. Okay, now see, you can see the signals showing on your screen. Okay, see, first of all go to the setting option, see setting option and this is 59. Okay, and same setting. Okay, same setting 59. False signals are removed and go. Okay, see sell signals and see buying and sell signals is showing your screen. Okay, this concept is very clearly green light cross the red line and buying now, and green line cross the red line and sell signal is showing on your screen. Okay, sell signal is here. Okay, so sell signal, profitable signal is here. See, buying signal is here, sell signal is here, buying signal, sell signal, and now buying signal, sell signals, buying signals, sell signals. Okay, see profitable signals are, see buying signals, sell signals and sell signals, sell signal, buying signals, buying signals. Okay, back signals are, you can see after the market move down and buy and sell signal appear very clearly. Okay, this indicator is the perfect for trading and can help you take profitable trades. Okay, I also have the full script of this indicator available. You use in 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, 1-minute time frame, but basically option is setting most important. Okay, and gold market, forex market, crypto market, okay, etc, everything. Okay, if you want to get it, you can contact me. My WhatsApp number which is showing on your screen. You can also contact me through my Telegram. The link is the description. I am provided it at very responsible price. So that all for today's video. I will meet you again in the next video, a new indicator and a new strategy. Good luck and enjoy your trading.